That was good, guys. Today I'm going to be getting gold rank or like 60 RP. So let's get started in the video. I just loaded in, guys, and for some reason my team decided to run 3 elders and 2 whispers. I'm actually queuing with this guy, and this guy, so we're quad queuing. But I don't know what my team is doing. So honestly, I'm just gonna whisper this guy. Like, we're cooked. They're running Ragnar, Fisher, Miner, Triton, Lassie. We're actually cooked. And then my teammate just pulled a PvP against that guy. Oh my god. And this guy got comboed again by the same guy. And this guy's trying to get bed when he's like 2 HP. And I feel like, yeah, someone's gonna get it. Alright. Yep, our bad is gone. Our bad is gone. Yep, our bad's gone. Yeah, our bad's gone. Our bad's gone. GG's. What is this guy doing, bro? Oh my god, our bed always... Oh my god, he's raining. And yeah, jeez. Hey guys, we lost our match because no one's bed defending, and my team's actually buns. Okay guys, we just loaded into our second match. And instead of queuing with 4 people, I'm just queuing with this guy again. So I'm Milo and he's Sigrid. He's Whisper, finally got bam. Okay, our Yuzi just like flew across the map. What was that? Ooh. Yeah, I think our Yuzi's hacking. I'm not queuing with him, I swear. Report him. And we have won the match, but this guy's a hacker, so report him, please. I heard Liam GG. Moving on to the next match. Okay guys, we just loaded into the match, and teammates using Ragnar, and I'm using Whisper. And teammate got the bed playing. Nice. Sorry guys, but like, it actually might be a part 3 in this series, because I kind of have to go after this. Unless we just gain like 25 plus RP to get to gold 1, which is very unlikely. So there's probably going to be part 3. Wow. Sorry guys. Okay, my teammate's currently at their base and trying to get the bed. And my teammate failed the bed break. Wow. Expected. And I think he went too early, but it's fine. Okay guys, I was AFK during the match, and basically we lost our bed, and teammate died, so he just lobbied. Right now we're still silver 475 RP, probably less, and I guess this is the end of part 2. Not really much improvement, but I promise you guys I'll do better in part 3. Peace.